Hello, Karen.
Oh, hi, Howard.
So, I understand we're getting new PCs.
Not quite getting new PCs, but we are just starting our desktop UX project, yes, which will be the latest version of Office, Windows, and a few other applications. If you do have an old laptop or an old desktop and it's end of life, then as part of this, yes, we will be swapping that out.
So will I need to give up my PC?
You will have to give it up for a few hours for us to do the rebuild, which is putting the new version of Office and Windows on. That will take 3-4 hours.
So what will I do while that's being done?
Well, we're going to try and do this overnight so that you will, minimum disruption to you.
And what version of Office am I going to get?
So we're moving to the Office 365 platform.
Right.
So it will be the latest version available from Microsoft.
Okay, is that going in the cloud?
No, this will still be an on-premise. It's just we're moving to the new user and subscription-based licensing from Microsoft, which is Office 365.
So when I give up my PC, what's going to happen to my preferences and everything I've got on there and documents I'm working on, that type of stuff?
Okay, good question. So preferences, favourites, all of that will be transferred across. It'd be really good if you didn't have any files on your C drive. As you know, should really be using the DM. As part of this, you will need to make sure any files are in the document management system or else they will be lost.
Okay, and how much warning will I get?
Oh, lots of warning. So we're doing all the timeline now for the full deployment, and we'll be working from the central team with your local IT team. You'll be given at least 2 months warning of when we'll be coming to do the training and deployment. Okay,
so when I come in the morning and I've got my new PC, how much change will I see?
Okay, so Office will look different. It's much more modern looking. But what we've tried to do is make it as close in functionality and the toolbars as to what you're used to now. You're a big user of Office, Howard, so I'm sure you'll have no issue in working your way through the new look and feel. So presumably I won't need any training? Yes, we would suggest everyone have training because there may be features there that you would find really useful that the training session will bring to your attention. It will also show you some of the new features. We've done some things around templates and document automation. We're keen to show everyone how to use those. And what about Internet Explorer? That's getting a bit old in the tooth. Yes, that is an issue. And we've got a number of applications here that still need Internet Explorer. But what we'll be doing as part of this project is delivering 3 browsers. So it'll be Internet Explorer 11, we'll be introducing Microsoft Edge and also Chrome. Okay, that sounds good. And when is all this going to happen? Okay, so we're starting with our early adopter, which is our 2 offices in the UAE in September. We're then moving to Netherlands and Germany, and then we've mapped out a plan which will take us up till the end of 2020. Oh, that's a long time. It is a long time. It's a big project with lots of training, lots of deployment, lots of technical work to be done, and we've come up with quite a cautious time frame to allow issues or where we have to move things around because of client work, for example. Okay, so if it's not convenient for me when it comes to the work on my PC, can I opt out? You can't opt out. You will need to move to this new platform. We will only be supporting this platform going forward, but what we can do is work flexibly with you to suit your workload. So what are the benefits for me as a user? This project is about moving to the Office 365 platform, and Office 365 has many other components to it rather than just Office. We will also be moving from 32-bit to 64-bit processing, which will be a big increase in performance and stability. Some of the other features and products we'll be looking at will be, for example, Microsoft Teams, which is a collaboration platform. And we're getting lots of interest in that also now from clients. And from an IT perspective, there's a number of other products in Office 365 that we can use to sort of rationalise some of our estate. So we will look to replace some of our other products further down the line with Microsoft's offering. One big benefit will be if you have multiple devices, let's say you have a laptop and an iPad, you'll be able to get the full Office functionality also on your iPad. Oh, so I'll be able to amend on my iPad? You will. Excellent.
Is this the only change that I'm going to see in the next 12 months?
No, we've got 3 major projects active at the moment. This one, Desktop UX. We've also got the new business acceptance project, which is replacing RegDesk.
Good.
Many changes there, both from technology and process. And we've also got a new time recording system coming up. So we will be replacing Carpe Diem with a product called Total Time from Intap. So lots happening over the next 12, 18 months.
So where will I find out more information if I want it?
Okay, that's a good question. So we're doing a lot of work with your local IT teams. There will be lots of information coming your way through the usual channels, Bird Talk, intranet, etc. But your local IT teams will be your go-to person once we start the project.